Lewis Carl Davidson Hamilton is a British racing driver who races in Formula 1 for Mercedes-AMG Petronas Motorsport. A 5-time Formula 1 world champion, he is often considered the best driver of his generation and widely regarded as one of the greatest drivers in the history of the sport. Net worth $215 million. Number 1. Orange Mercedes McLaren P1. Number 2. 1965 Shelby Cobra 427. Number 3. LaFerrari. Number 4. Mercedes Maybach 6. Number 5. Pagani Zonda. Number 6. LaFerrari Aperta. Number 7. Mercedes-AMG GT-R. Number 8. Ferrari 599 GTO. Number 9. Mercedes Maybach S600. Number 10. Mercedes-AMG G63. Number 11. Mercedes-AMG SLS. Number 12. Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Number 13. Mercedes-AMG 4-door Coupe. Number 14. Mercedes-AMG Project 1. Thank you for watching.